Ka Jingiang scam jong seng KSU ban Pyrshah ya ka jingthmu jong sarkar ba ka jaka ka blathamu ban bu ya ka facilitation center ha ka Shillong Umling Ri Bhoi district on bu no da ka food court kala nang beteng ka jingatai ha ka menta ka singiru ki nong ilam jong seng na Ri Bhoi kala poi ha nong ba Shillong ban Shong Jingialang bat ki officer ka Tnat tourism jong ka sarkar jilla ha main secretariat ya ka kanhun jong seng KSU na North Khasils district unit Lailam dau Presiden usamla Federal Khar Kamni ha ka Jingialang Secretary usamla James Hitler Mopneng rengkat ru ki khot ka seng na ka district Ri Bhoi ha bakran sikala pthai khubor hadin ka Jingialang u Presiden ka KSU North Khasils district unit usamla Federal Khar Kamni ulong ba ka facilitation center ka dei sedang bante nadu usnem arhajar arpuar bat layoi ka Jingiang jongi kamera trikam hendrai kampat dei ke jaka ka balala ban pentrikam pura bat kadang sakut hadu menta bat kampat trekam setia. Henry kendit kensan, hagen yang kesenyampat, ke sorkar kalabu daka weipat kejemut, ban penkela syaka food court, bat kene kala penlong ya keseng, ban yang sendan, bat pen i deka jeng Pyrshah, namar ke facilitation center kalong ke badan kam, ban ya kata ke food court. Namar omdai tangga seng ke bayu i ya ke jingdan kam jong ke facilitation center, Henry kipat bak ke jelaru, ki angnut, bagate ke jaka kan trekam pura, ban cengan ke jelah. Susu ulong ru, ba ketiga entry point jong ke jela kadon ye ke benta ke bekongsan ban pek ngor bat ban khmi benya ye ki kali bat ki briu ki barung hapo ke jela bat lada penduna ye ke jaka bante ye ke jaka trikam jong ka facilitation center dak bobu rengkat bat ketika food court lane penkela ye ke jing pendon kam kan keta ye ke jingla ban penlong ye ke jing trikam ki babiang ulong ru ba ki officer ka Tnat tourism ke jela kila pentip bakin se bisyar benya ye ke nekamat henry watla kalong kum taru kaseng KSU kala penskam bahkan yai buddin ya kene kam hadu bag sarkar kan pendep no ya ka facilitation center bat ban penon kami ka kat kum ke jing temu balabu neru basdang bahkan long ke jing singan ye ki pajba ke jelah
It's government as we know. It was as I told you on 2019 during the site inspection, it was land of belonged to the transport department, and the transport department willingly after having this act, Meghalaya Resident Safety Security Act, on the year 2020, they had given the land for 28,000 square feet. So that land belongs to the government, maybe the tourism department or the transport department, but government to government. That is meant for the facilitation center or the entry point or the checking point. But for the last 10 years, coming from the year of 2016, we are always with the urging the government to be serious with the checking point. It has been placed in the Umling area, which we are meant and is been inaugurated on 21st December 2020 as the entry point for the facilitation center. But now, what we have seen the last 2-3 months after seeing the structure, it was been turned up to the food court. So from the KSU, we are against and we have come to this meeting to urge the government concerned that as for now you stop the work. Let us see first the facilities which are meant for the infiltration gate, the labor department facilities counter, the students counter, and so on and so forth.
So if you can tell us
What we have seen on after the inauguration and after 3 months, it was turned up to the COVID through the health department, and it was on the year 2023. It was lying vacant, and so I would say like we are the KSU that always urge the government to start the facility center at the earliest possible. But now, like coming with ideas of the food court, that we are very much against, because it might take so much of the land, the space for the structure, and there will be an ample space that we will get to check each and every vehicle of the people coming to Meghalaya. You can't see the proper DPR because what we have received that time, it was the drawing that they have changed what they have said. So now, like, they will come with the proper DPR, then we'll see how the DPR see if that food court takes just small space and more space for the facilitation center, like the facilities with department like infiltration, labor department, and so on. Then you will see accordingly.
Till now, that place there, what the government they want to use to utilize till now.
I can get you.
Till now, that land, that place in the Umling, What government will utilize?
No, as for now, the structure is still going on, and from last week, from the KSU, you've already stopped that project. So it depends on the government. If they take it seriously, we'll come to that proper DPR, then we'll finally decide.
You give timeline to the government on this
No, it
matter?
depends on government. If they want to call us for site inspection and for meeting here in Shillong also, we are ready and we are willing to come.